So how do we effectively sell industrial consumables? Selling industrial consumables is a lot about application selling. So what is application selling? Application selling is an art where you understand where your products will be required. If you are in a business where you are selling lubricants, your industrial consumables, grinding wheels and so on, I think it's not about positioning your product as a commodity. It's about understanding what is the value the prospect or a customer is requiring from your product. So that means you need to understand technically what is going on where your product will be applied. If you're selling it for a cement plant, what is the cement plant all about? If you're selling it to a steel plant, what is steel plant all about? If you're selling it to a mine, what is mining industry all about? Application selling requires a thorough understanding of the industry for which you are working. If you are selling your products in the steel industry, you must know how a steel industry works. If you are selling it to a cement plant or a mine or maybe an automotive company, you need to understand what is going on there. Then only you will be able to connect better with the stakeholders in the different departments. It needs the kind of investment of time which will build healthy rapport and professional credibility. So application selling is ultimately about doing your business effectively by generating the right kind of pipeline from time to time. So what it needs is having the right database and preparing the right database from time to time, building your pipeline thoroughly, understanding various applications that could exist to sell your products or services, understanding the pain areas, aspirations, and the dreams of your prospects and customers, building a strong channel network, and monitoring the impact of your sales from time to time, and monitoring the impact of applying your products on various machines from time to time. So application selling is pretty technical in nature, but also requires the business acumen to build a great business.